How to download Deepseek AI 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Deepseek AI and how you're going to be able to download it for yourself in 2025. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Play Store or App Store or whatever you have. And once you go over to it, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on search and you're simply going to search up Deepseek. Okay. Now, once you search up Deepseek, you're going to get a lot of things like Deep AI and Kimi and stuff. And, a lot of people, what they do is they go over to Deep AI and download it. But this is not what we're here for. This is what we're here for, DeepSeek AI Assistant. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to download this. And from here, you have successfully downloaded DeepSeek AI for yourself. So that is basically how you can download DeepSeek AI in 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.